Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right. Market's pushing up. Yes is pushing up. Nasdaq's just holding here, not going anywhere right now. Yeah, it's kind of ripping up to the highs. Yeah, kind of getting a little tight, even though the market's just opened up. Eventually, we're gonna have to break out of here, but we'll see. Yeah, it's doing a little bit better, kind of sitting towards the highs. NASDAQ not really going anywhere. See the 5 minutes a little choppy. Candles aren't really going anywhere. Just some wicks, top and bottom. Pushing a little bit now. We just need a little bit more. There we go. There's that push. Yeah, still a little indecisive here. Kind of failing to go higher. But not really going lower either. You can see almost back down to where we have been on the 5-minute candles. Might just be another choppy day. Again, I rejected off yesterday's high right there. Still overall bullish here, but kind of struggling a little bit. Kind of testing the yesterday's high again. We'll see if we get a better close or something up above. So far, we're kind of rejecting it. Yeah, again. Yeah, making our way right back down to the EMAs. Yeah, I gotta love this price action. All these wicks, all these candles just right after another. Back to back. Green, red, green, red, green. hopefully we can get a little move out of here. You're trading NQ or MNQ. This right here is currently NQ, but I do a little bit of both depending on what account I'm trading, or just like what position size I need for a specific trade. Like right now, volatility is kind of low. ATR is only on 11, which is typically what it is like later in the day, not at market open. So right now, one mini is like fine. But some of those days when we open up and the market's super volatile, ATR is at 20 or above, maybe even higher. Some of the moves we're making are like 50, 60 points within minutes. And on days like that, sometimes I'll trade some minis or micros, the MNQ, just because I got to size down a little bit. But typically I do just trade normal NQ on my propfirm accounts. Alright, let's slap back down there. Yeah, I tried to get above yesterday's high, but just can't seem to do it. We're kind of holding up that bearish value gap on the 5-minute, potentially. See if we make a lower high here. Yeah, you gotta love how clean price action is before the market is open. And then it opens up and we get this mess. Absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, still going nowhere. It's like I'm trading at 10 or 11 o'clock. Market's already dead. So ES isn't really going anywhere either. It's a little less choppy than the NASDAQ, but still not really going anywhere. Let's try it here again. take these lows out potentially. The 15-minute opening range is set. That's what these white lines are. So let's see if we can get above or below those and actually make some decent moves. Yeah, yesterday was kind of rough as well. We didn't even... The entire day, we did not break out of the 15-minute opening range until later. I guess it was like after lunch. But at least while I was trading, stuck in that 15-minute opening range the entire time. Should have took the short. I mean, the market went down a little bit, but I don't really see the setup personally. I mean, I guess you could have just sold like here. But kind of just chopping around. All these wicks, kind of hard to want to go short all these wicks, but also it's not going up, so. And there's the buyers coming back. Bringing price back up, see if we, oh, never mind. We're back down. Yeah, we're definitely still waiting. We gotta pick a direction here, and we're kind of failing to. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that candle on the 1 minute. Went all the way up there, came all the way down, closed red. But somehow this next candle is still going up. Peak setup. I mean, I don't know if you're being sarcastic, but I'm not seeing much of anything. Right now we're just chopping up and down. We have a little bit of like a bullish kind of setup here. But with all these wicks and all these candles that are going from green to red, green to red, green, red, red, green, red, green. I mean, I'm not seeing the peak setup personally, but hey, if you're making some money, good for you. That's what trading is all about. Once again, buyers trying their luck here. The 5 minute's also a good tell of what's going on. And you can see we had these doji candles that went nowhere. One candle that went up, kind of, still has a big wick on the top and the bottom. And then we got this, and this, and oh yeah, it's getting kind of ugly. Like, it was so much cleaner. Dang, I keep clicking those and dragging them. Let me stop doing that. I don't even know where this was. No, it's right there. Lock. There we go. Locked them in place. So that won't happen again. Seller's trying to make another move. Yes, took out the lows of the day. We'll see if NASDAQ follows or not. Recently it hasn't been as much, which has been a little odd. Definitely makes the trading conditions a little less favorable. Yeah, it's starting to buy up a little bit. Definitely not breaking the lows here. Yeah, I need NASDAQ to do something. Or not. It's whatever. I should have stopped having any expectations for the market. Since somehow, consistently, we just don't go anywhere anymore. Yes, ES moving down. Maybe I just need to start trading ES to the bottom of the opening range. Yeah. Right down here. So he's getting back into the 15-minute opening range. But we'll see if it kind of can hold and keep pushing lower or not. Gurav Z, welcome back to the stream. Yeah, it's coming back up a little bit, but still looking good to probably keep going lower, but we'll see. Nasdaq as well, I'm definitely getting the selling vibes, potentially. Maybe not. I had potential, but just couldn't really do it. Yeah, 5 minutes still very ugly. Yeah, ES did take out the 15-minute range low. But we're already back up, kind of getting close to the middle. So maybe it is a failed attempt at going lower. And Nasdaq already trying to push the highs of this range. Back up to yesterday's high right here. Taking these 1 minute highs. See if we can take the kind of main highs here. If we can break out of this 15-minute range high up here, that'll be a little bit better. ES is definitely lagging behind, but I think it might be able to catch up here. Here's that break. We might get a little breakout of the range. Maybe a little retest. Could be kind of nice, but might have to wait until the next candle to see what happens. Will the buyers hold up? That's the question. We don't have any news at 8 o'clock in 4 minutes, but the 1 hour candle will be closing, which it can have an effect on just a little bit of the price action kind of leading up to the close of the candle. Yeah, rejecting that high, getting back to the range naturally. Yes, still lagging behind a little bit. Oh, wrong chart. Five minutes still pretty ugly, but we almost broke out there. It almost looked good for a second. Oh yeah, this 5 minute. I thought for a second we were gonna like look a little bit better with this breakout. Well, it was a failed breakout so far. And we might get another 5 minute candle with zero body and a big wick, which is not very pretty. Not very pretty. Yeah, just kind of coming back to the middle of the range. Right back to the chop. Right where we love it. Normally I wait a little bit until I play games and stuff, but might have to start doing that a little earlier. Since we've kind of been just chopping off open some days. We'll give it a little bit of time though. And I'll just drink my protein shake. Hopefully by the time I'm done it'll be making up its mind what it wants to do. But geez, what are we supposed to do with this? Well, still going nowhere. Isn't this fun? Isn't this nice? Shop is absolutely atrocious indeed. Noxy, yo, what's up? Now we just need to, I don't know, I guess I need to learn how to be a range trader. Or I just need to get like another evaluation or account that I can reserve for this kind of price action. And then I can just take trades for fun. Yeah, most people do lose a lot of money when they first start. But this is, what am I trying to say? Nasdaq futures. Market's kind of moving down now. But yeah, it's definitely a lot to look at first, but you're just looking at the price kind of on the 1 minute charts. Every candle's a minute. And you just see the price kind of as it updates real time. Make trades, try and make some money. Definitely want to make sure you practice as much as possible though before actually putting any money on the line, because like I said, most people lose money. You got a course or Discord or something? Not right now. I might get a Discord at some point, but right now I just have a YouTube and a TikTok, so you can definitely go check out my YouTube. I don't have a ton of videos out yet, but you can see some of my highlights and rewatch my old streams. Watch me and just see like the trades that I take and the ones that are winners and stuff. Alright, here's a little sell-off. I'll pay the teach, not gonna lie. I'll appreciate it. I definitely don't know if I'm the best teacher out there, but right now I don't offer any sort of paid services. I'm just streaming what I do. Noxy, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Alright, once again, we swiped below the range. To be specific, the 15-minute opening range low. And then we came right back to the range. We just gotta get out of here. This 15-minute range is rough right now. We just don't want to leave. Put up the game for the breakout. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. As soon as I turn on some Call of Duty or Fortnite or something, Battlefield, that's when the market will start moving. Might have to do that, but I still need to drink my protein shake, so I might do that first. Another little test at the low of the range. Bounce it right back up again. ES again. Looking a little cleaner. So we got the lows again. Actually holding below the 15-minute range low now. So definitely a good sign to continue shorter. But yeah, Nasdaq failing. failing to do it. She wants to hang out right in the middle of the range. Oh yeah, buyers coming right back. They ain't messing around. Back to the middle. Well, definitely not the best day for trading. We'll see if that changes, but not every day is a good day. And knowing when not to trade is also a big part of trading. So when the opportunities are not there, they're not there. You definitely don't want to force it. Yeah, I might have to. Might have to boot up the game. I don't know. Jeez, this is really something. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we can get the trust, bro. They're tuned in and watching again. Exactly. They're just waiting. Yeah, let's see if we can get the Black Ops 7 beta back up. Thomas Shelby. Ooh, it's a big name right there. Thank you for the follow. But yeah, last two times I tried, it was a little choppy. So hopefully it's not this time. Oh, update requires restart. Big surprise. What's funny is I'll probably do it again. Once it restarts, and then I click on Black Ops 7 beta, it's probably going to say update requires restart again. Drop your Discord link. I don't have one yet. Unfortunately, I probably should make one. I know that's all people do on the TikTok or the YouTube space, you know, when they have a channel and stuff, but none yet. All right, buyers trying again. Get up towards the highs. I can't believe the ATR won't go up. Yeah, that's what I've been saying. I mean, we started the day with like a 10 and 11, and we haven't even moved at all from that. Which, like I've said, once around a 10, or especially like a 10 and under, I typically don't like to trade anyways. And that's normally like what the ATR is like around lunchtime, like around like 10, 11 o'clock. So the fact that it's already an 11, like we're not going anywhere. And literally the top and bottom of the 15-minute opening range is only 46 points. Like this range, only 46 points, which is like nothing compared to normal. I mean, it literally would have been better to trade overnight. Do you teach? Kinda. I mean, I share my perspective. I tell you, what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. I try and point things out that I see and why I see it and stuff, but I don't have like a course or anything if that's what you're wondering. Maybe at some point there's enough interest I can make one of those or something like that, but right now I don't offer any paid services or anything. But I've got plenty of live streams, and I have a lot of my trades kind of highlights on TikTok and YouTube Shorts and everything. Trade analysis sometimes, so definitely still working on building up my content and stuff, obviously, but plenty of stuff to go check out and hopefully learn a thing or two. I'll probably make some videos here soon, kind of explaining my strategy and what I look for on YouTube. But yeah, right now I'm just kind of focusing like streaming, throwing out some highlights, trying to build the channel a little bit more, as well as the TikTok. Dylan, thank you for the follow. Yeah, hopefully I can help you out, answer any of your questions. Yeah, I might not be able to give you like a step-by-step tutorial, but happy to answer any questions with the experience that I have. I definitely don't want to claim to be a guru or a teacher. I'm also just here to, I guess, vibe a little bit, but also, yeah, share my experience, what I've learned, and maybe learn from other people as well. Yeah, a lot of people, they like to tell you what to do or what they do. But I'm just gonna show you. Hopefully, if the market will actually get out of this stupid range. Gosh dang it. I guess we're in the game. This will make the market move. It's a foolproof strategy. Or foolproof. I'm not good with English. But this isn't an English stream, this is a trading stream. 5-minute chart still very ugly. We do have a little push down, push back up, but still haven't really gone anywhere off of the open. The 15-minute chart looks even worse, by the way. Holy, it's ugly. Let me show you guys this. Oh, look at this. This is ugly. Definitely ranging. Definitely not what you like to see. Holy crap, my aim is... Shit, that was bad. That was bad. I'm not ready to play a game. But I will. I just need a game to warm up. Just don't judge me for my game right now. Yeah, I can't win that fight. Another chop day, that's right. We're getting a lot of those recently. Yeah, that's just a bad angle. I like this Peacekeeper though. See, that guy was ready for me. Yeah, I like this gun, but it kind of sucks at range. I guess it is technically like a hybrid SMG AR kind of thing. Uh-oh. I don't know what I got shot by, but it did not feel good. Oh. I guess whatever that was. Alright, Marcus still going nowhere. Holy crap. Should be more ready for those things, but I'm just not. Oh, there's helicopters here. That's why I'm taking so much damage. Bro, how are you ranging inside another range? Dude, that's what I'm saying. Like, we've got the 15-minute range, which we've tested once. But then we have this, like, little range right here. And then we also have this little chop on the 1 minute right here by the EMAs. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Oh, we're pushing down a little bit now. All right. Oh, there we go, that was better. Bad push, bad push.
Enemy UAV detected.
Oh my gosh, we got this thing again.
Down but not out, Black Ops. Time to get cover.
Dang, stream still looks like a bit choppy on YouTube, unfortunately. Don't know why this game does that. Like, it's not that hard to run. Got plenty of FPS.
Hostile UAV established above. Everybody failed. This operation needs a hard reboot.
Sloppy execution, lack of teamwork. Need I go on?
I wonder if there's a setting to help out with that, but maybe not. Oh, still can't get out of the range. Dang it. Playing the game didn't work. They know I'm still watching the markets. They know I'm not distracted yet.
Domination. Control the objective. Securing C. Charlie secured. We have the lead. Maintain current posture. Securing B.
Oh, whoa, this is a new map. Oh, that's a little window. Or that's not even a window, that's a little,
We lost
like, air vent thing. That's
hostile UAV.
nasty little peak.
Our lead has been stolen. Steal it back.
It's okay, I've got another excuse not to do well this game. Because I don't know the map. So clearly I can't play well.
Underway.
I'm just joking. Try and lock in a little bit.
Taking B. Enemy UAV detected. UAV established overhead. Locking down Bravo.
little bit better now. Kinda just camping though, but what can you do sometimes? Oh, there's the break. Good thing I put an alert there. It's like loud in my ear. It's perfect. Alright, if we hold below this, this will be good. This will be good. Yes, also at the lows. This is great. This is just what I've been waiting for. Might finally be breaking the chop. Oh, we'll see. I might get faked out. Alright, let's see.
Order submitted.
It's not the best close below there, but if we can come and retest the 15-minute range low, then we'll be chilling. That's what I like to see.
Order filled.
Alright, there it is. Dang, the trade looks bigger than it should be. That's because the freaking ATR's a 10. See, normally this trade would be like a small little scalp, but it feels like a big move now. Also, looks like we're not getting a good initial reaction. Hopefully that changes. But I got faked out. Might not actually be ready to go lower. We'll see though. Oh no. Oh, view ops right there too? Man, I don't know why I didn't like see that. Yeah, maybe I don't like this anymore. I'll do a quick break even. Yeah, I don't like view op right there. For some reason I didn't really look and see that view op was right there. I was ready to make a trade. And that's why, like we've talked about before, just like being patient, and it can be tricky because on days like today when you're so ready to like make a trade because you've been waiting for one like all day. That's out of bounds. Yeah, it's super easy to just make little trades like that because it's like, oh, we finally have a trade, finally have a setup, which we did. Like, this is a setup. But again, with VWAP right there, we're probably just gonna chop VWAP or bounce VWAP and come back, which we kind of did for a little bit. It might not be too late. The trade still might win, but for me, it's not worth the risk. Is basically how I can summarize that. I don't mind this map though. Or maybe I'm just in a good lobby. 14-6. Yeah, I'm kind of just vibing. It's a little bit less sweaty than last game, which I like. I like a good competition, but also like I'm not here to like sweat my balls off. Yeah, still holding up. We got VOP right here, and we have London High as well right here. So we have plenty of reasons to kind of hold and bounce higher, unfortunately. One more. Nice. It's a nice little spot. Oh. Did he see me? Maybe a little. He just like jumped up and shot so quickly. I was like, wait, what? The reaction time should not be that fast, brother. Oh, that was kind of cool. There's still grenades in here. Who knows I'm here? No! See, there's that bounce up. That's what I was afraid of, chat.
We lost B.
Saved ourselves $250. Oh, how did he get there? Okay, this guy does not have ninja. And I didn't hear his footsteps. Kind of been saying that a little bit. I don't know if anyone else has played the beta at all. Or plays much Call of Duty, but
Hostile
I feel like I'm just not hearing any footsteps. Like, I don't even have ninja, but I can't hear my own footsteps, which it's not bad. I don't mind not being able to hear my own footsteps because they can be distracting. It makes me question if there's actually footsteps at all. Well, if I broke the range,
Skewer release detected.
but then we
Locking
went
down
back right into
Bravo.
it. I imagine the sellers still hold up here a little bit and we keep going lower, like ES is doing. But yeah, good break even there. Definitely happy about that. Alright. There we go.
Bravo capture underway. Hostile UAV established above. They are taking C.
Still got him. Oh boy.
Hostile skewer inbound.
Lost my drone pod already. Dang it. Alright. So sellers are trying again. Oh, that's a close one. Through the wall. Nice.
Locking down Bravo.
Oh, come on. So close. Alright, here's the sellers. I can't push that too much. Oh, wow. There they are.
Order
Alright, we'll
submitted.
try another retest if we get up here. Maybe down there as well. Absolutely wild. Alright, got 30 seconds till the panic closes.
Enemy UAV detected. Skewer release detected.
40 seconds. Keep our eye on this. Don't wanna... Okay, game's over. We're chilling. Alright, we'll try another retest. That's not a bad bear flag either, but again, with view up right there, really hard to take that. And as we all saw, it did get that bounce, and it would have stopped me out. $40 and $13, 3 KD. We'll take it. Alright, let's lock in.
Order submitted.
Yeah, we'll take this.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Oh yeah, this is looking like a pretty decent retest. There we go. We'll go break even. Oh, we might have just missed it. It's happened a couple times. Maybe 12.5 points is a little too much. On a day like today, though, that makes sense because the ATR is pretty low. It's kind of understandable. Dang. Why can't we just pick a direction and go? No, we kind of have. We're going down. It's good. But I guess
Stop filled.
12.5 points is too much. It's like last week all over again. Yeah, no, today 11 ATR. I definitely could have had a smaller target today, just based off the ATR and the volatility, but at the same time, I still will. What's stopping it from going down another point or two? I don't know. It's true. I might test this gap, continue lower. Might build out a bear flag as well. This would be kind of nice. Alright. So far this game is kind of a lot of level 30s. Look at all those level 30s. Oh yeah, this is definitely not going to be as fun as last game. Or chill, I should say. Which is fine. Unless I like really sweat, which I don't really want to do. Kind of had a little bear flag there. Just 2 camels though. Not one I'd really take. Kind of a little fake out there. Still kind of sitting right at this. What is it? The Asia high. Yeah, might still make our way up to that fair value gap. Chanselt Jero, thank you for the follow. Yeah, let's see if we. Build out a flag, kind of like that or something. Still might be worth taking. And yeah, the fair value gap as well. Oh, I'm dead. Maybe not. Alright, buyers pushing up. What are you doing, teammate? Why are you shooting me? Ah, my aim was so bad there. Also, like the strafing in this game is wild. Alright, this might be the. Alright, died. This could be the flag, and also like the fair value gap as well playing out. Still gotta get below the Asia high though. ATR is still pretty low as well, which makes it getting the green today. Not exactly yet, but we're not in the red, so that's good.
Order submitted.
Yeah, hopefully if we get down here, below this wick, get a little push. Got a little shorter just now, nice. Yeah, that fair value gap
Order filled.
A nice reaction. Hopefully get a breakthrough here and get through these wicks kind of a little bit better. But still might just hold this Asia high. Took my 10 points. Landing queue. Nice. That's what we like to hear. Guess I'll put a stop up here. Well, again, it's kind of hard to go for a super big target with how low the ATR is. Unless it starts to pick up here. That would be very nice if we actually can get down there. We should be able to. I mean, it's the idea. It's just whether we hold up this Asia high or not. But so far we've done pretty well. I imagine once we break nicely. Kind of like this. But maybe a little bit more. Maybe a little lower. Alright, we'll go break even again. Hopefully we don't get stopped up break even again, because that would be a pain in the butt. That's what I'm saying. Come on, sellers. What are you doing? Now is the time. Maybe not. Must be another one of those days. Make half the move and then come back to break
Stop
even.
filled.
Yep. Well, not sure what else I can do, chat. Found my best, but we got to the lows and we just came right back up. I could give it more room to breathe, right? I could just hold it for a loss or a win. But when I'm up 150, almost 200 bucks, it just doesn't make the most sense to let it go to a loss, you know? And that guy looked like he followed me through that wall a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna break. It's gotta eventually. Oh no. I knew that was gonna happen. Yeah, we just can't get below this Asia high. If anything, it looks like we might even hold it and go back up. Which is why we do go break even on ones like this, because if we do make it close to the lows and then reject all the way back, I mean, the chances of it going and taking out this high are almost just as high as it coming back down, so there's just no point getting stopped out on a trade like that. Oh, that almost got him. Then I did get him. And I don't know where that guy came from. Again, this guy does not have ninja. But I'm not hearing footsteps. I don't know if you guys are, but I definitely am not. My volume is a little low for this, so it's not too loud for you guys, but I could make the break now. Did you go 95 again? No. Well, I guess I kind of did earlier. I was trying to get a retest off this Asia high once we broke through it, and we actually, again, we got like literally 90% of my profit target and then went back to break even. We just couldn't get the full 250. And then this one was a bear flag, so not quite the same trade, but similar area. Now we're just chopping. I mean, it's just, that's just the day today. Like, we did have this nice break. I mean, this bear flag technically would have been a good one besides VWAP and everything being right here. which is why I wouldn't take it. Yeah, it's definitely due for a little pullback, continuation. But today, yeah, it's just kind of repeatedly chopping, pulling back.
Got the hard point.
Seems like we can't actually get like a decent move or trade, which is that's just how it is sometimes. Would much rather take break-even trades than losses. Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Hard point is active.
Oh, that's surrounded. You see this? Yeah. Again, that's what I'm afraid of. Is this? Which is why I went break-even. Yeah, potentially another retest here. Off of this fair value gap. So far, nice little reaction. Looks like the fair value gaps might be a little bit better today. Typically, the highs and lows get some nice retests, but the market makers are watching the stream, so.
Can breathe.
Yeah, I thought this pullback was kind of what we needed before we continued lower, but we just failed to take out the lows, which is really kind of unfortunate.
Hard point active. Got the hard point. The field took the hard point.
And how did that guy get me?
Hard point locked down.
Because like I swear I didn't really miss a shot there. My reaction time is definitely on point.
Enemy CUAV established overhead.
No, yeah, I had that first pullback all the way up here, came back down, and we just couldn't break the lows. So like, due for pullback, yes, but like this isn't really a pullback. This is just chop, right? We just got right back up to here, and now we're right back to here. We'll see if we break the lows this time, but I mean, yeah, the 5-minute wicks, 5-minute candles, they were really bad earlier, but even now, they're just kind of, the dojis here make it a little hard to maybe go lower, and we might just start chopping these lows here. Hopefully not, but a little break there. But yeah, that first pullback should have been kind of what we needed. We just couldn't. Couldn't do it. Funded pass, first one. Let's go. W's in the chat for K-dubs. That's what we like to see. It's about time. Just kidding. But no, like, that's what we like to hear. Oh, ES kind of actually, interestingly enough, failed to really take out this low. So yeah, it looks like we did get the little break there, but we're kind of just back into this new range that we're forming. So my chop theory might be kind of correct here. Hopefully not, but clearly it does not does not want to go past these lows. We'll see though. Hopefully it does. Hopefully we keep going lower. Get some trading opportunities, or maybe form a decent reversal setup, but man, I'm hyping. Yes, about time. Haha, I've been in this streams forever. Yeah, you've been here for, has it been like a month yet? Or just a couple, like 2-3 weeks? I want to say it's been like a month or more though. Definitely a minute. Super hype.
Sabotage enemy zones with the overlord.
Definitely 3 weeks or more. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's what we like to hear. Oh yeah, there we go. Double kill. Just have no health now. That was a nice little feed. This lobby's already way better than the last one. Alright, this actually might be a bear flag for me. Try it again. Pulling back here, get up to that 90 MA. Potentially. ATR still can't get above like an 11 though. Yeah, hard to be bullish, but it's kind of hard to really think it's gonna.
Order submitted.
Oh, I kind of missed my order. Well, there you go. Might have.
Order canceled.
Guess I missed that one. I should have just marketed it in, but I wanted like, a respectable injury. Well, it's alright. It's back. Question is, would I have gone break even or not? Maybe. It's not the best bear flag. We'll just say that. I mean, we didn't really pull back and take out these highs. We didn't get to the 90 MA. And we did get a little break, but we're kind of back up. It was only 5 points in profit. Again, the ATR is pretty low, so this move it's not much of a move. But it would have gotten a little breakout if we got entered. We're not too upset about that one.
Enemy overload successful. Our control station is down.
Here's the pullback though. Oh boy. So he's gonna push me. Maybe not. Oh boy. BangerTrades, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Alright, now we're back up to the EMA. Definitely be a little bit better. Oh, I don't want to mess with that thing. Those things are like impossible to kill. Yeah, my team's not playing the objective. I guess I'm not really either, but my team definitely is not. Could be a nice flag here of sorts. It's kind of ugly. Look at ES. ES is still chopping, like it never broke the lows. So, still a little hesitant personally to keep shorting it.
Hostile counter UAV above. Hostile secure inbound.
Oh, there it is though. Looks like ES might finally be catching up as well. Like I thought I was AFK, which I kind of was. But I still got him. Alright, is my team gonna play the objective? am I gonna play the objective? Someone's already shooting me. Jeez. I'm out.
Enemies are
Yeah, I've got no support for my team. See, my teammates should be following me.
Our zone has been overloaded.
Yeah, they're just gonna keep overloading us. I can keep getting kills, that's fine.
Located the new overload device. Protect our zone. They have the overload device.
You were released as tasked.
$85, $75 hit. Yeah, we had a nice little break there. I'm gonna hop off the charge for the day, man. Good luck. See you tomorrow. Sounds good, brother. Thanks for hanging out as always. And congrats again on passing that account. That's super sick.
The overload device is under hostile control.
See you later. Yes, sir. Taking any trades today? Yeah, I took 3, but so far just break evens, which so far has actually saved me 3 times. This first one, we tried to go short. We made a little bit of money, 1 break even, and then we would have gone stopped out. And then again, we tried to get a little retest, continue lower, a little bit of profit, 1 break even, got stopped out, and then, well, got stopped at break even, but then we would have gone stopped out up here. And the same with this one. So we've managed our trades well, relatively speaking, but we just haven't been able to hit our target. So a little annoying. These wick candles make it a little difficult. Yeah, no, it's been super choppy. I mean, it was so choppy earlier today in this range. That's why we started playing Black Ops 7, because I'm like, we're just chopping. And we finally started to break out a little bit, try to get some shorts, but still, it's just wicky and choppy enough. Like, yeah, look at these wicks down here. I mean, wicky and choppy enough that you just can't quite make a profit or like hit your profit target, which is a little unfortunate. Yeah, real choppy, real choppy. Yeah, I might have to call it quits here soon before I take too many trades. I've already taken 3 on this account. This one looks fire though. Yeah, no, it's been fun. I mean, definitely not the worst Call of Duty out there. It does feel very similar to Black Ops 6, but it's kind of fresh with like all the new guns and like the futuristic kind of aesthetic, the wall bouncing and stuff. And they have right now they have the open playlist that supposedly doesn't have squeeze matchmaking, which I'm definitely a fan of because I always get wrecked by that. Because I'm good enough that I don't play the noobs, but I'm not good enough to play with the big leagues. Like, again, pretty decent, but definitely not gonna go play ranked anytime soon. I did play ranked in Black Ops 6 a little bit, just so I could get like one of the skins. I got like gold or something. But that's all the energy I had. It's like I'm not trying to get anything more than that.
Hardpoint is active. Hostile personnel have captured the hardpoint.
Oh, we got a little latency variation. That's not good.
And keep it.
Alright. Oh, I'm gonna die if I peek that.
Enemy
Or
UAV
this.
detected.
Yep. It's the best life ever. Hey, appreciate it. Glad I could be of service. Alright, little break there. I think this is from like a previous day, but we still might try and get a little retest off of it. Oh my gosh, now we're finally dumping. See, we just needed that to happen like when I was in a trade. That would have been beautiful. Oh yeah, taking out all these lows. We still have a little ways to go before we get to the London low and the overnight low, but yeah, you see kind of like this and you think surely we're
Order
gonna get
submitted.
a nice little move. But yeah, the ATR's just been so low, the volatility's just been kind of dead. Yeah, it might just bleed out, which is fine too. Ooh. Oh yeah, we're really selling now. We'll take that off for
Order
now.
canceled.
Locked down. Capture the hardpoint.
See, sometimes like that, like I know my aim wasn't perfect, but I swear I put so many bullets into him. Oh jeez, it's a good grenade. Hard to even play short now. Yeah, exactly. It's finally going down, but there's like no good pullbacks. It's just dumping. Just a fallen knife now. The time to kill in this game is not my favorite. Holy dumps, it's just still going. Alright, we just made it to the overnight. Where is that? 26. 20, no, it's 27, 27, 27. Should have marked these earlier. So that's the London low, or the overnight low. No, the overnight low is 22.5. 22.5. So this could be...
Order submitted.
Holy cow, what are we doing? We're just taking out yesterday's low now. 108.5. Well, this was... I mean, it's about time, I guess, right? I don't know. I don't even know if there is. ATR's finally going up, though.
Hostile UAV established above.
Don't know if I want to take this anymore, though. Yeah, we just swept all the
Order
lows.
canceled.
So we might kind of make our way back up for a reversal. No, I'm not seeing any news. I mean, there was a little 9 o'clock something on Financial Juice, but it was like a New York Fed 1-year inflation rate. Maybe that affected it, but that was like 7 minutes ago. So I don't know if that like really affected it or not. I mean, we're just going lower. These are some of my like markings I made yesterday, but I can't remember what they are, so I might just delete them. Holy cow. That whole consolidation this morning just...
Hardpoint located.
Alright,
Hostile personnel have
our team
captured
is
the
getting
hardpoint.
wrecked here. We still might get a pullback.
Order submitted.
And it could play out. But also, we could be a little...
Hostiles have the hardpoint. Focus.
I don't know, let's see if the sellers are actually here to stay.
Hardpoint locked down.
They could be kind of overextended here, a little bit done on the day. We'll see though. We do have this for leg up too though, so I might still kind of like this if we get it up and get a little quick retest. But if this one's break even or doesn't move very quickly or whatever, I'm probably just gonna be... I don't know, it's tough because it's easy to say like I'd probably be done trading. I was probably gonna be done, but now with this extra volatility, it's like, oh, probably worth taking a trade. That spade I played yesterday. Yes, Black Ops 7 beta. Alright, we're bouncing off the gap, but I didn't quite make it to the yesterday's low. $13, $17. Oh, he's so low. He thought he could peek that again. Rookie mistake.
Hostile personnel have captured the hardpoint.
Alright, well there's the continuation short. Looks like I
Order
kind of
canceled.
missed that. I'll take it off for now. Dude, you're my new friend. Coming over bringing chips. We'll trade and play all day long. Hey, that'll be a good time. Fortunately, I don't have all day
Located.
to trade and play games, but hey, definitely for the market open.
Hardpoint active.
I'm not a big fan of trading like...
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Oh, what the... Oh, that's a shotgun. I thought it was a sniper. I was like, there's no way that guy no-scoped me. Wild.
Hardpoint
See if we can still win this game. See if we can come back. Someone's probably flanking. I should use my drone pod. That's all I do, bestie. No, yeah, I probably would if I had more time, but I just got other stuff going on too some days. But also just like trading outside of like the New York session usually isn't my favorite. Like I don't like trading overnight.
Point identified.
Alright, pulling back here a little bit, finally. Still could be tempting to try and take that,
We control the hardpoint.
the retest. Oh,
Enemy UAV detected.
yo, what's the flank? I always forget to do that.
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
22 and 11. 2 KD's not bad. Our team actually is almost caught back up. We might be able to win this.
Hardpoint located.
I don't know if I'll be able to take this back. Kind of a hard. Oh wait, we're almost here. Oh, it is kind of tempting. Kind of bounced right before it though. Yeah, we're kind of already getting this reaction. Yeah, I was gonna say, if we get up there, we'll try it. But because we like went so close to it right here, and we already bounced. If he gets back up there and takes out that wick, it's probably not going to be the best retest. But we could make a nice bear flag here, which I'm also keeping an eye on.
Order filled.
Oh yeah, ATR is up. This move is... Should move my stop up, but I've been trying to like try a static, just 250, 250. To see like how that works, just to kind of keep my risk always around 250, same with my reward. This bear flag should kind of play out. Where's all the sellers at? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Oh well, it's just not the... Clearly not the day for me. So our team might lose since I haven't been paying attention. Yeah, definitely a lot of room for potential up. Looks like we got stopped out, so it was a good thing we kept our risk down. We would have lost like over 500 on that. Yeah, no, I just kept my stop at 12.5 points. Just didn't want to risk 500 or more if I'm going to stop at the highs. So... yeah, it's definitely a little wider now. It was a freaking 11 ATR. Now it's a 21. But like I said, even if I put my stop up here, I would have lost a lot more. I would have stopped out. So I'm happy I did not move my stop. Crazy how the volatility went from nothing to a lot. So we can be happy with the loss right now. That's one of the things about trading you really gotta figure out and be good at is just knowing how to take a loss, because as soon as you let your emotions get the better of you, that's when trading can be rough. Got about 50 points for potential long move, 80-90 up to 20-40. Yeah, no, it's definitely could be due for that pullback, kind of get like 50% of this move back up. This bear flag is still kind of, I mean, kind of got invalidated, but also still have like a kind of higher time frame one here. So we are holding up yesterday's low a little bit. Definitely kind of hard to take. Definitely a little unfortunate we took that loss, but again, it's a small loss. Keeping the losses low. If it holds that 25,100, definitely a long signal. Alright. Could be. We will see. You guys be like 10, so that's 50 points. I'm like 1 point out doing the chubby checker dance. Hey, whatever works for you. If it works, it works. If you're making money, you're making money. I mean, even all these trades, I mean, if I just took a couple points, I would have made a little bit of money. By now, instead of being break even. Well, I guess with this one loss. Yeah, it could be a nice little long actually right now. But as I say that, Boom. Little shoot up. Alright, we'll see if we close above the overnight low and maybe get a retest. Yeah, there's the long. When you trade with your own money, can't be too crazy. Yeah, that's facts. Are you trading with your own money? Or are you doing prop firms?
The guild's up to something. Got the advantage. Now we have to.
Still looking kind of bear flaggy here. I still can't hear any footsteps. Might just be my audio settings. I could be continuing short now. My own money people sound crazy. I mean, it just depends on obviously your strategy, how confident you are, how much money you have. So obviously trading your own money is kind of the end goal for most traders. Prop firms are kind of just a way to get there for most. Right, because then you can risk a lot less. And still get payouts to make some decent money. So that's definitely where the appeal of prop firms is. But I think if most people could, they would trade their own money. So if you're in that kind of position, good for you. That's awesome. Watch that 80-100 area. Yeah, if it breaks through the 80-100 area, it's definitely going to be going lower. But here's the buyers coming back. There we go. Yeah, it is holding. Still kind of rejecting the overnight lows a little bit. I'm out of ammo. Ah. Oh yeah, this gun's good. Yeah, you might be right. I think that definitely could be the new resistance area of support for sure. Like I should be dead. I just messed up my aim. So should that guy. I don't know how I hit him with like the two bursts, but they did no damage. Probably because I hit his leg, his thigh. Alright, the 3 minutes got a really nice bear flag. 2 minute as well, kinda. It definitely could be near resistance point like you were talking about. But we're still kind of just consolidating up. And like I said, if we break past like the 90s, I think we're gonna just dump more, potentially. But then, obviously, yeah, if we continue higher, get above these overnight lows, we could be making our way back up. The 30 was a hard area last night. Oh yeah, it did hold that 30 quite well. Yeah, I'm gonna try that first gun. Quite nice.
Viewer incoming.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking too. It's holding so well. Just gotta wonder, like, is it holding, or is it kind of just chopping or consolidating? I mean, definitely not going up, but still are definitely kind of struggling to get below these lows. We are getting tighter. Oh, the seller's trying again. Me a hold of the 30 and then dip below 100. That'd be good for short.
Viewer incoming.
Yeah. 100 to 70.
Guild reclaimed the lead.
That'd be a great short. Just trying to figure out if I want to keep trying my luck today. Since it has not been the best. I mean, taking 4 trades, 3 break evens, and a loss. I mean, kind of just doesn't make sense to keep trading. For me. But we'll see. Yeah, still holding. Couldn't close below there. Yeah. Like the map? Oh, this map? Yeah, it's not bad. I don't know if it's my favorite in the beta, but it's not bad. I think he's going to 25,194. Maybe. But right now it looks like the shorts are finally playing out. Looks like where I was just a little early with my short. And there she goes.
Control the field. Keep it that way.
46, dude, I'm a 7, lol. 46, like... I'm not sure what you're talking about, that might just be totally spacing. 69, Z28 maybe later today. I'm in, 98, come on 70. It looks like it's on its way, it's pretty close to 70, you're probably gonna get it here. Come on 70, that's right. We're bouncing right there. You're getting my kind of luck right now. You get like 5 points away from your freaking target, and then it bounces. Or even less, you were 2 points away.
You know the set. Scrub and
Playing
burn.
BO7 trading, love it. Teach me, Obi-Wan. Well, secret number 1 is you need 2 monitors. So you can play on one monitor, and then you can tab over to your other monitor for the charts. Also, you want to make sure you're in full screen borderless, or like windowed full screen, or whatever it's called. So that way, you're not in actual full screen. Well, looks like it just about hit the 70s. Boom. There it is. Boom. Nice trade. Well done. Only has the yellow monitor for a couple minutes this time. Hey, that's part of the process. If you're not yelling at your monitor, or you're really trying, yeah, no, I had it marked out too. I mean, I had a couple marked out, but this one right here is yesterday's low. And these two are both the London and the Asia low, because it literally bounced like twice in basically the same spot. So yeah, that kind of area right here is definitely a strong area.
Move in and
Held up
execute all
very
mission
nicely.
parameters. Taking Alpha. Alpha secure.
Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about this map yet.
Claim the lead.
Don't know if it's my favorite.
Losing Bravo.
30 held like 3 or 4 times. Yeah.
Losing B.
Yeah, 25,100. I think some people call it kind of like a psych level or something, just because it's like a nice even number.
Losing Bravo. Securing Charlie.
Definitely likes to hold for sure.
Cops took the lead. Do not let them keep it. Securing B.
Still going lower. Eye out for any decent setup, but like I said, it might be kind of just on the day. I might be able to make back my loss, but it's not the biggest loss, and today's just been whack with the chop and then the falling knife. Makes it really hard to trade this, but it is nice to see an overall trend kind of finally at the end of the day. Or not the end, but close to when I typically end trading. Yeah, I think that chop definitely got a little bit of my mental. But also, yeah, I've just been a little unlucky, like, because this was technically like the right move. It was just early. Like, we just needed to consolidate a little higher to that 30 level. And then get that push down. And then these other shorts were good too, but like, we just couldn't hit my target before going again. Stopped at break even. How'd that guy not kill me? Chat, what was that guy doing? I wasn't even moving. Came back. Got him. Hard to look for short now or so low, exactly. Like, you want to continue the trend, because trading with the trend. Like, the trend is your friend, that's what they say. But when the sellers are so low, can I not shoot through that wall? Is this wall made of steel? Wild.
We've locked out A.
But no, yeah, definitely a little hard. Looking for a short now. Yeah, we still got some lows. Yeah, we're almost at some of the like London lows and things from Monday at like 45.5, I believe. So definitely could bounce that level or take that level out. And then we have some of those other previous levels down like the 970s, 980s, or like 920s. Alright, we got spawn killed a couple times, but that's alright. Shot my teammate. This guy's trying to spawn kill us. Any trades today? Yeah, I took 4. Got 3 break-even trades during some of the chop. Luckily I didn't lose them. And I just took 1 loss. We got kind of faked out here by the sellers. Sellers keep up on me. Sold off a frick ton right here. I thought we'd get a little pullback in continuation. Got faked out. Alright, if we touch this 90 MA, this could be another bear flag. Question is, are we oversold or not? Yes, kinda didn't really take the lows out very well there. Move down was, yeah, it was crazy. I might still keep my eye on this. But I might try and stay a little disciplined here and just be done. No point in forcing anything, especially after taking 4 trades. On this one account. I'm just not getting any subs on my other accounts. I do have a couple others that I trade like the 5-minute sub, but the 5-minute has not really been moving or doing anything. Haven't got any of my setups.
Order filled.
Alright. One last stab. We get picked out again, we're definitely done. This is a setup. Bounce on the 90 MA. Bear flag. We just need to push the lows. But we're kind of just holding again. Some days they just don't really work out. That's just part of the game. Oh, there's another one.
Target filled.
Oh, there it is. And see, that's what it's supposed to do, chat. That's what it's supposed to do. That is the bear flag. Oh, boom, baby. That right there is the breakout. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, you're right about the 30-40. Alright. Well, back to negative $5. Basically break even. Now we're going to be done trading. I accidentally threw that. That was not part of the plan. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, that one felt good. I was like, I gotta take this one. Oh, that's so bad. I can't lose that. Teammate somehow still alive though. I swear, every time I shoot someone, there's another person behind them. But like not in the best spots where I could like kill both of them. Those are the best ones where it just works exactly. We held it for like just a second, which made me be like, oh well, maybe it's not it, like I said, but then we just got that massive just dump, which it definitely like you said, they're the best. Make you feel good. Definitely validates the idea, right? It's like, oh, I know what I'm doing. I'm not completely bad at trading. Yeah, 20 seconds. The first 10 seconds was literally just like kind of just moving around a little bit. But then the last like 5 seconds was crazy. Yeah, it was a good entry as well. I marked it in there because I didn't want to miss out like the other trade. But yeah, we got like basically right where I would have put my order anyways. Oh, an awesome day. Great stream. Hey, appreciate it. Glad you enjoy. I'll be back tomorrow. You got a good entry. Oh, I already read that. But yes, I did. Yeah, great trade. Definitely happy with that one. Definitely a good one to probably end on. I might play one more game of Call of Duty just since I'm kind of enjoying it a little bit. And it's not quite 10 o'clock yet. Oh yeah, definitely just a big dumpy day. I do like a good dumpy. I'm just kidding. But no, yeah, we're just selling off like crazy. Yeah, this is why the trend is your friend. I do like to look for reversals sometimes though. Just no opportunities today for that. The people emojis are killer. Alright. See if we can get another good game here, and then we might call it a day. We've got some low levels on that team, unless these are fake low levels. I know in Black Ops 6 sometimes it would show level 1 even though they're not level 1 at all. But I feel like now that I'm like trying to lock in a little bit more, I'm probably gonna play worse. Oh no. Why are they all on me? Go kill my teammates. Leave me alone. Oh jeez. Yeah, time to kill in this game. It's not terrible. Like I don't mind it sometimes, but like that, I swear like I should have been dead. There's another. Of course there is. Yeah, sometimes I swear like I play my best when I'm literally like kind of just vibing and I'm not trying as hard. It might be because I don't push as hard, honestly. I play a little safer. Make sure I like go behind corners and heal and reload my gun. But when I'm like trying, I'm super aggressive. Like way too aggressive. Get up here maybe? Alright, now it's not doing too bad. Team Deathmatch is definitely not my favorite though. I wish we had a little bit of a choice with the beta and just like the playlist. Just because like spawns always get so messed up with Team Deathmatch. Because people just like wander around the map. So like you have no idea if the team's spawning like... It should be spawning over here. Someone will just like push the enemy spawn. Oh, I ran out of ammo. That's right. Nice little streak there. Pick up an extra gun. Oh, there's another pullback. Wonder if we found the bottom yet or not. Oh boy. Got me on the reload. Ah, that guy should be dead. That's true. Market does tend to find kind of a little bit of support. Make a little reversal around. See how that guy get behind me? Wild. But yeah, after like 9 o'clock, 9:30, even like 10, that's when we will get that kind of lunchtime reversal potentially. Ooh. There we go. Oh no, I knew they were gonna spawn there. I got him with the frag. I was gonna say, isn't my grenade right where he is? Oh, here's another bear flag playing out. And there's guys on both sides of me. Maybe not. Oh no. Oh, that bounce was so bad. I blame Call of Duty. That wasn't my fault. It's not a skill issue. I like jumped and went straight up. Alright, that time I was just trying to do something cool. It didn't work. Those 2 deaths don't count. I have 7 deaths still. What the? I just spawned in. What are you doing? Brother. Yeah, Bearfly kind of playing out. But we definitely could see a higher low here. Leading into the lunchtime like you're saying. Maybe get that reversal. Oh. Nice headshots there. Got my nemesis as well. Okay, they smart. There's probably guys over here. No, they're still over here. That was embarrassing. You guys got some good aim. Doing that.
We have the enemy exactly where we want them.
See, it would have been very profitable for them. For who? The sellers or? Did I miss a message? Oh, the 2 accounts you blew. Yeah, I remember you blew those yesterday.
Impressive work.
Those fuckers will think twice before facing us again.
Yeah, I'm down one funded as well. This one's the take profit or eval, so gotta pass that one. Yeah, that's the worst when like you blow your accounts and the next day is literally like a perfect day for your strategy and just like how you trade. Hate to hear it. Yeah, great bear flag though. Took its time, but really got all the way down there. Yeah, Mondays, like we talked about, might have to be done with the Mondays. Yeah, market's just been weak. I mean, I guess this dump since like 9 o'clock is finally like, oh shoot, we're down like, how much is this? We're down like 200 points now. But no, yeah, like before the ATR, like we were talking about earlier, it was like an 11, a 10. Like the market's just been so weak and choppy until finally we got like this break out of it. But like it should be doing this like earlier in the day. It should be doing this like all day almost. It's been rough that that's not been the case.
Hard point. Control the objective. Hostiles have the hard point.
I guess they're all on the other side of the map, which makes sense with the hard point. Oh boy. I got a feeling this guy's gonna piss me off. How do you like take profit trader? I actually really like it. I've only had a couple accounts, or actually like 2 with them. Yeah, this guy. Oh, there's like 2 of them. 3. Are these guys like actual like pros? Soar, Nate shot. That guy's probably fake, but yeah, those guys are actually part of like Soar, some clan. I mean, that'd be crazy. Also, it'd be a sign that I should leave this game. Essentially. I remember I got like 2 bets from them a couple years ago, then couldn't even pass their eval. Yeah, like evals are like the rules aren't bad, but I don't know if it's the easiest to pass compared to some. Oh boy. Yeah, half my team left. No, but I like the rules and stuff. Like they're very similar to funding ticks. They're very similar to like even like Top Step. These snipers are good. The intraday and the funded stuff. Oh, yeah. I think I remember kind of seeing. Jeez, you see these snipers? These are going crazy. That like jump shot was wild. Didn't do it with that. Yeah, like I get why it's there. I mean, that's like how Apex, how their accounts are. And obviously they do offer. Yeah, these snipers are insane. Also, you kind of looked at me through the wall there, just saying. No, I'm just. Yeah, these guys are definitely all in a squad. They're crazy. I went with Apex on yesterday. Then they had all the extras. Yeah, that's how I was too. Last summer, traded with Apex. Oh, like 6 payouts or something like that. Like I was killing it. Like I didn't mind the interday trailing drawdown because like I just like that's why I still put my stops to break even and stuff, because I'm just used to like either locking in a little profit or just making sure I don't let my drawdown get too out of hand.
Enemy CUAV established overhead. Hostiles have the hard point.
But yeah, I traded well with them before. I think the market's just been a little rougher the last year, which is why I haven't been seeing as many payouts. I moved away from Top Step for that reason, because like, or not Top Step, Apex. I don't know how I'm supposed to fight all these snipers. This is wild.
We control the hard point.
These are all freaking good. But I can kind of compete with them, just not that effectively. Yeah, 2 points and that's it exactly. Yeah, Trailing Drawdown is not my favorite. But ironically, like I've only gotten payouts from prop firms with Trailing Drawdowns.
Hostile personnel have captured the hard point.
So like, as much as it kind of sucks as a rule, I feel like I've just managed to be more consistent and get more payouts by following the Trailing Drawdown. As funny as that kind of is. But yeah, I'm trying some of these other firms, and like I've really been liking Funny Ticks. I think they've got like the easiest eval to pass right now, relatively. Oh my gosh, these guys are insane! Like that wall jump, crazy. But yeah, I think it definitely is nice and helps as a trader to lock in profits. I had a dream they were like offering 70% off. Funny Ticks, oh that would have been amazing. Because even the 35 or 20% off is still like, you get a 50k account all in, no activation fee for like 60 bucks. 50 if it's 35% off. That's I think only if you are a first time customer. First time buyer. But yeah, Take Profit Trader is also similar to Funny Ticks. But it is a little annoying that their funded accounts are not end of the day trying to draw down. Because I think I heard that, but I just haven't gotten fun with them yet. So I just didn't quite like acknowledge that that was the case. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, the eval for the Funny Ticks. I think it's the only one where you only have to make $2,500 on the 50k account to pass the eval. Because all the other ones like Apex, Take Profit Trader, Top Step, all the ones I can think of, you need like $3,000 on the 50k account to pass the eval. Whereas Funny Ticks is only $2,500. But it's definitely a little bit better with like the risk to reward. And it's end of day trailing drawdown with like both the funded accounts and the evals. They're solid. Tradify is also pretty solid, but there's a little pricier. But I like Tradify as well. I had some accounts with them. I like their straight to funded accounts. And they got some pretty decent rules as well. They actually might have some of the best like risk to reward as well. Because I think the 150k account, I had one of the straight to funded ones with them. Yeah, the 500 really helps a lot, exactly. Well, no, yeah, the Tradify straight to funded. 150k account has $6,000 in drawdown. You only have to make 9,000 to like get a payout. Which is pretty solid, because like, when I remember, I think Tops has 150k account. I had one of theirs in the past. And like, it just wasn't, I think it only had 4,500, 4,500 in drawdown. So like with the other one, you had like an extra 1,500, which is quite nice. mean, yeah, the extra 1500 on a 150k account is kind of like the extra 500 on 50k account.
We control the hard point. UAV above. Hostile personnel have captured the hard point. Hard point is active. Hard point locked down.
I used Elite Trader funding earlier this year, got 200Ks, $26 each, and got 5K payouts.
Hostile UAV established.
Dang, that's a great return on investment right there.
Hostiles have the hard
I think I live account. That's dope. Some good trading right there. The automatic door gave him away.
Control the hard point. Hostile personnel have captured the hard point.
Skewer released as tasked.
Oh, made a little higher high here.
Hostile UAV established.
Oh, really? Yeah, I never heard of Elite Trader funding. Or maybe I like vaguely did on some like
Combat assets on the planet.
YouTube's thing. Some YouTuber may have mentioned it.
Hostile counter UAV above.
But it never got like big enough on my radar that I ever really considered taking it or like buying their accounts.
Hostiles have the hard point.
Well, I can see why, because clearly a little shady. So that's good that you got paid out. At least like 5K before
Hostile UAV.
the shadiness happened. Oh, these guys are crazy at sniping though. 65 and 16. I'm like kind of holding my own, but
Control the hard point.
these guys are insane.
Hostile personnel
Very shady
have
now.
captured the hard point.
Are they still like running though? I imagine if they're as shady as they are, that they probably would have been shut down, but maybe not. I remember there's a propfirm. It was one of the first to do like the straight to funded.
Hard point locked down. Hard point.
It was a fast track trader, I believe. I remember a lot of people were thinking that they were pretty solid.
UAV above. Hard point is
Okay.
active. Hostile UAV established.
But then like randomly, yeah, they just kind of like shut down and didn't pay out their traders. Because I remember there's some YouTubers like promoting them. I was like, oh, like I'll have to try this because like they had some pretty decent rules. They had like the nice straight to funded accounts.
Enemy UAV detected.
I was like, oh, that's like, why not?
The hard point. We control the hard point. Hostile
Then
UAV established.
before I ever got an account, they ended up having some of those issues with payouts and things.
Enemy CUAV established overhead.
Jeez,
Identified.
this guy's crazy. Oh yeah, if they're stop paying their traders.
Active.
Yeah, back up. It could be like a reversal potentially. Might have found the bottom. Yeah, as soon as they stop paying traders.
We control the hard point.
That's why Apex was a little sketchy for a little bit. That one,
Enemy UAV detected.
yeah, earlier last year. It's been a while now, but
Captured the hard point.
they weren't not paying, but there's all those rumors of like payouts getting denied, and obviously the payouts took like 2 weeks or more. I never got denied a payout,
Downloaded for
so I still think they're pretty, like I never had a problem with them personally, but there's all the internet drama, which made it kind of rough to really like yeah, these guys are freaking crazy. These SOAR guys, they must be legit or they're cheating. But yeah, I'm probably going to be on YouTube or something. Crazy squad. Oh yeah, the Apex run was kind of crazy for a little while. But then they still kept paying out. They changed some of the rules and kind of got back on track a little bit. So, still a good firm. At some point, I'm going to hopefully get an affiliate code for them because I know a lot of people still use them. And I'll probably get some more accounts with them once I build up my my accounts, but I just need to get some more payouts before I can buy 2 minutes more accounts. Yeah, this is a lunchtime longs though. Kind of could be the move right now. Oh yeah, it definitely could go up like 50 more points. Back to the psych level, 25,100. If anything, it could even retrace like 50% of the move today, which would be like 55,130. Kind of where we bounced before, so we'll see. But yeah, it is about that lunchtime. Market might slow back down a little bit, drop around, so definitely could still be some opportunity. Yeah, get some green maybe off these reversals, but yeah, I can only trade too long some days. And I do try and stay consistent, kind of stop trading around this time, so we might still see something. We might continue higher. Might see some bull flags even up here. But we took 4 trades. Or is it 5 now? It was 5. The 3 break evens, the loss, and then the win. So yeah, 5 trades. Probably don't want to don't overtrade. But at least we ended up break even on the day, not in the red. Besides, well, the $5. But the 40 area is juicy for long. I know it's not looking bad. That's for sure. I think it might be about that time for me. I might have to call it a day potentially here. Go eat some lunch. But thanks for hanging out. It's been a good stream. Appreciate all the supports. Feel free, if you have not, to follow, subscribe, all the fun stuff. I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, good luck if you're still trading. And if you're done, that's great too. Thank you for the gifts, the roses. Appreciate it. Yeah, hopefully see you guys back tomorrow. Spooky Man, thank you for the follow. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Good luck. Be smart, be patient. And yeah, have a good rest of your day. Peace out.